Yet again, we got another project coming up. This one is one of two designs that I'm doing for this client today. The Acquired Attire LLC. Shouts out to you. Again, I told you guys, if you shop with me, man, and you're getting free promo. You're getting free promo for your business. I know there's some people who try to keep it on the low that I work for y'all, or I'm doing projects for y'all, but this is just how it operates on my channel, guys. If you shop with me, I got every right to, you know, I'm not going to sell your design. I'm not going to give your design away or nothing like that. However, I do have every right to stitch your project on camera, because this is how I get my customers, by showing people the type of work that I can do. So just keep that in mind. I might have to add something like that to the website. It's only been like 2 or 3 people in all the time that I've been doing digitizing for people that have asked me not to show their projects on camera. And out of respect, I have not shown their projects on camera. However, it is kind of screwing me over a little bit. Well, I won't say screwing me over, but, you know, you're taking away from my business a little bit by not allowing me to show the projects that I make for you guys. I got another client project back there in the back. They had made a slight mistake. I didn't make a mistake. They sent me their design. I sent it to them for proof. They approved it. I stitched it. I sent them the patch and everything. They liked it. However, they wanted to make an adjustment, so we went ahead and stitched another one for them. Back, go to the website, because I have order forms and stuff there. And then, if you don't see what you're looking for on the website, then feel free to contact me. Now, chances are, though, guys, if you ask me a question that's like, you know, a generic question, instead of me answering you directly, I'm going to most likely answer it in a video. So if you guys are supporters of me and you want answers and help from me, you got to watch the videos, because I'm giving all the tips and stuff like that in the videos. That's how you guys can support me. Otherwise, if y'all feel like, you know, asking a question and sending something to me on Cash App, we can do it that way too. If you just want something real quick, I guess. But for the most part, I'm trying to help out a lot of people at once, guys. And the best way to do that is by making videos that everybody can watch whenever they come across my channel. Last thing it's going to do is just add some words right there in red. It's some script font. You have to see cursive, very small. You guys can see the quality of that stitch out. I did again have to slow the machine down for it to be able to do that, though, because it is a really small font. That's for sure. But it is working for us, doing exactly what we need it to do. I like it the way I'm doing it like this. Instead of doing all the projects every single day with me getting orders like on a consistent basis all the time, I guess I'll just give it some time, put my big frame in there, knock as many out as I can, and then take them out the frame all together and, you know, make one trip to the post office. It'll make it easier for you and me. Green light. Again, I have it stitching only at 700 stitches a minute. And I will speed that up in a moment too, but that is what I decided to do to get the cursive writing from the previous design. Let me set the camera down though, y'all, because your boy done, you know, your boy, you know, that's all I can say. So I need both my hands right now, so I can't hold the other one with the camera. So I'll be right back when we get to the good part. As these ones are stitching out, just got a couple more emails that came through of other people who approved some other designs. So it looks like I got a little bit of room left to do maybe like 2 more designs at least. Or at max, I guess, 2 more on the same frame. Almost done. Let me go ahead and slow it down now. We'll slow it back down to 750. That way we could just do the words just like it did right there. We'll do the words real slow. Make sure those come out good. Again, I think I mentioned it before, but that is something that I really do like about this machine, where you can actually adjust the speed in the middle of the design. Whereas on a machine like this, you have to go into the menu, adjust the speed, and then press start. So there's no way to really exit out, to my knowledge, without stopping the design at least, to go back and make any changes and stuff like that. So the fact that I'm able to speed it up when I need to, slow it down when I need to, it's a big plus here. It's a big plus. And look at the quality of the stitch out there. I'm gonna go ahead and do a trace out, make sure it doesn't touch any of our other designs here. Boom. I think that's good enough. The stitch out's on 750. Let's slow it down in the beginning. And colors all set, everything is set. Perfect, nothing's gonna be in the way. Y'all see how far this thing pops out? I'm loving that feature, loving it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and place our material there. This is gonna be pink, white, and black. Simple. Let's get it. Silhouette all cut out. Let's go ahead and continue. And we're getting ready to do all the pink. Or no, this is the border first, not bad. Knocking out the border first. I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up on this one because I definitely don't want to sit here for 28 minutes and it's gonna be doing some pretty basic things. There it is. We can do it up to 1,000. Oh, let's get to the minute. And I guess that's just a part of it, guys. Knowing, you know, how to judge your designs to see, you know, what speed will be best. With it doing something right now that's just a very simplistic border, nothing too detailed, nothing too, you know, close together or anything like that, I think it's fine at 1,000. Again, that's still not even all the way, but it's doing pretty good. And of course, it's just a black background, but it is going to be overlaid with pink thread on top of it. So now we're going to number 15. I don't think I've had too many designs that used pink. So this is nice. Let me know that I don't have pink sitting up there for no reason. Hit the thumbs up button for me, man. It's a lot easier for me to just make these patches and not have to worry about recording it, but you know, I think you guys like to see it, so if you actually like to see it, let me know you like it. Help me out by hitting the thumbs up button, dropping a comment, sharing the videos, and I'm gonna try to keep them coming for you guys, but it's definitely a lot of work. I can sit here for a couple hours, you know, editing these designs, then I gotta sit here and stitch them out, cut them out, then I gotta go back and edit the video that I just lived in real life so you guys can see it. And I know some of you guys might say, hey, you could kind of solve that problem by just going live, but I prefer not to really go live. I have in the past, but I like making my videos look exactly how I want them to look, and just, yeah, I think it's just better for me. Not saying I would never go live again, but I just like the process we have so far. So for the work that I'm putting in, show some love to the kids, man. Alright, so we just finished with the base layer of all of the pink. Now I believe we're going to the white. We're going to do the bars on the top and the bottom. Then we'll finish it off with the black thread, simply writing the word black. What we got left on the clock? 1 minute, 36 seconds left on the clock. And that's it, my guy. 6 designs, and I got enough room for at least 2 more. We have our last design loaded in there that we're going to be stitching before we go ahead and cut all of these designs out. We'll go ahead and do our trace out so you guys can see the laser. This is not pre-cut for this project, but I did it for a different one. It's right on the money, so I might be able to get away with it, y'all. Ooh, it's gonna be close though, but it's all good. Just because the machine can go at 1100 doesn't mean it always needs to be running at that speed. You gotta kind of learn the machine and know when you should speed it up or when you should slow it down, and the best practices for each method. The thread is shining. It's right on the money. Alright guys, so these are all the projects that we went ahead and knocked out. They're all cut out, packaged up, ready to go, ready to be shipped off. Just got to print the labels. Everything came out good. Thanks for shopping with me, guys. These are some that I made for myself. Again, this is a 3D puff right there. The tiny one that I did before. This one right there, which again, it actually did come out good. Covers it up perfectly on the side of the machine. So all the projects were a success. I'm happy and waiting for you guys to, you know, receive your orders. And when you do receive them, feel free to hit me with the feedback. I want to, you know, share some of your guys's, you know, reviews and stuff. I'll post them either on my Instagram or the website or whatever.